We're here at the new MICROCENTER in Santa Clara, California. This is truly the best tech store in the world. Let me show you around. We'll go around this way. We're here in Santa Clara, California at the newest MICROCENTER. This is truly the best tech store in the entire world. I want to show you guys on a tour. We are here before opening, so no one's going to be around. If you see pallets, if you see ladders, it's because they're getting prepared for the hundreds of people that are lined up outside already. Let's get to it. First thing is obviously the Mac section, right? You got the iPads, the laptops, the all-in-ones. They have it here, and honestly, I haven't seen better prices for Mac stuff than this store right now. As we move on, we're going over here to the monitors. We have iPad cases, everything here. Monitor arms. We all know I love monitor arms in different configurations. They got everything you need here, from 2 monitor stands to ones that mount to the wall. Everything you need here. We have desktop computers, we have monitors, and hey, the selection of monitors is not lacking. We have everything from OLEDs to curved monitors to the Samsung Arc. Well, the other way, not the other way. This is awkward. It turns, I swear. All the other MICROCENTERs, it's long ways. This is getting awkward. So we have more desktop computers. If you guys don't know, MICROCENTER has computers called PowerSpec. This is their desktop computers. They have different pre-builts. They use real components from the back, which I'll show you that in a little bit. My favorite part is the build your own section, and you'll see that just in a little bit. So we have all different computers. Again, power specs. We have everything from MSI, desktops. Again, monitors on display. You can feel, touch, see if you like them before you buy them. Look how thin that is. Wow. There's a whole Dell section here, Dell Technologies, that they must have paid a pretty penny for, because this is nuts. Laptops, desktops, monitors, beautiful displays. Ooh, we might have to come back for that Asus section. I always thought it was really cool when they do this. They kind of give you like a breakdown of different components in like a laptop and stuff like that. See what you're getting. So again, more PC systems. It's not just gaming. It's not just stuff. If you're just an everyday, need a laptop for emails and stuff like that. They got everything from Gateway to Acer to Asus to Dell to HP. Everything you need is here. So Allie's best friend, we got Shaquille O'Neal here. If you have seen any of our TikToks, Allie always gives him a high five. I'm sure everyone else has, because his arm's already broken.
Just to start purple, just to
Home security, smart home. They have printers down that aisle. They have RGB on the right and home security on the left. They got all the good and fun stuff locked up, but with all the employees that know what they're doing here, you can always ask some questions and they'll lock it for you. They have TVs. I have always tried to get Allie to let me buy this 100-inch Samsung over here. Tried on every store from the Santa Clara to, well, Santa Clara here, Charlotte to Indianapolis. Look at that bad boy. $2,499 for a Samsung 98-inch TV. Do you think that'll fit in the car on the way home? I don't know, we'll see. So on top of that, they have a whole projector section, soundbar section. They can come down here. Again, selection is insane. Don't mind the pallets. They will not be here when you come here. We move on. We have PC mounts. Same way they have all the monitor mounts. They have all the TV mounts too. Every shape, every size, every orientation, they got it for you. Just come in here. They have it in stock. We have a filament section here. So if 3D printing is your thing, they have it here. You can put it in the little barcode scanner. You actually see it rotate, and you can grab what you need and purchase it for your 3D printer. If you're looking for Wi-Fi or internet, they have that here as well. Everything from internet switches to gaming routers to Ethernet switches. They have it all. And some more filament just around the corner there. They have a whole section right here for smart tech for homes. Again, cameras, different shapes, sizes, indoor, outdoor, network routers. Look at this server rack. That's new. Very well done. Wi-Fi, monitors. This is a new section for me. I haven't seen this section in any other MICROCENTER. And again, we are in Santa Clara, so if you're interested in any of this stuff for smart home, smart tech, smart Wi-Fi, this is your place to be. Let's go right behind you here. Everything you need from wiring from Cat 6 to, you know, tools you need for any of your job, Ethernet crimpers. It's like a little mini Home Depot in here for everything you need tech. Pre-made wires, different shapes, different sizes, different lengths, from Ethernet to super thin Ethernet cables. They have it all. A little display of all their 3D printers on the right wall here. Don't mind all of this stuff. Again, would not be here when you get here. Headphones, speakers, to a whole microphone section here. Some that I've used in the past, like the HyperX stuff here, from the Beacon mic stuff there, Shure mic right there. A lot of MicroCenters kind of mimic each other. This one has been set up a little bit different, which is cool. We have whole sections that aren't in other MicroCenters. So if you're in this area, please come on over to the Santa Clara area and check out MicroCenter. Storage, they have that as well, from external to internal to SD cards to USB to adapters. Wire management, anything from wire ties to wire management for the ground so it can run on the ground, from display ports, HDMI ports, optical ports. They have everything you need here. I keep saying that a lot, but it's true. Like, I know I'm repetitive here, but I swear to God, they have everything you need. So we have a Logitech section here for all your basics for your work at home needs, and that's a new too. That's pretty nice. Slide this out of the way, hope they don't mind. Let's come on through the gap. More basic mice and keyboard. We have the Gloria section here. We recently posted a YouTube video when we bought all the stuff at MicroCenter. This is where I did it. They have open box stuff to save yourself some money. But here, from everything from the base plate to the keyboard to the mice to the switches, they have it all custom. All right, we'll move on here. More pre-built keyboards and mice, back and forth, left and right. We have the Asus section. We have the Gloria section there. Keytron, Corsair, more Asus, Logitech, still super light, great option. We have Razer on this side. So you even have a little pink section. Allie always stops. She's like, that's cute. I just might have to get it for her one day. More headphones, hanging mouse pads so you see what you're getting. You're not just buying a box. You can actually feel, touch, decide what you want, and then make the decision from there. We move on. We have normal headphones for listening to music and things like that, also present. Same thing down there, and they also have in-ears and running headphones over there. Now we creep into my favorite section of the entire store, the build your own section. Let's start in the cases. So these are all of the cases that are starting points. They can put all of the beautiful components that they have in store into computers, from cool stuff with wooden access, from Flux, to wall mounted units like this that you can actually have open air, mount this to the wall. I've seen amazing builds online on TikTok where these guys mount this perfectly right in the middle of their setup, just above their monitors, and it looks beautiful. We have U-Green NASs, so if you guys don't know what NASs are, it's just storage that kind of meshes and it's redundant. So if one of the drives go bad, you still have storage. They have a whole section here for that as well. Let's go out through here. Fork trucks, everything will not be here when you're in the store. I'm here before opening, just a friendly reminder. So you have fans for your computers and different cooling for your CPU and your fans. Intake, outtake. You have AIOs, so this is what cools your CPU. They have all different variations and different sets, from single fan, dual fan, 3 fan, they have it all, and on LED screens. Again, MicroCenter, when you're here, you can just come here and get everything you need to build your dream computer. We have power supplies left and right side, also on the back wall. We're gonna loop around here. So we have motherboards, they have open box. They also have closed in box. If you guys don't know what you're gonna get with your computer, you can actually ask one of the experts here behind the desk, and they will help you build the computer under your price point. You tell them what you want, they'll make it happen. So as we come through here, we have storage, more storage, spinning storage, hard drive storage, SSDs. Now let's hop on over here. That was more storage. GPUs, 5090s, 5080s, 5070, 5070 Ti's. They have it all. This place is amazing. We have Intel cards, Intel Arc, B580s, B570s. We have AMD cards, RX 9070s, 9070 XTs. They have them all. We even have handhelds, from storage to controllers to more headphones. Goodness, it's so overwhelming, but there's just so much. And again, we're creeping onto more fun things to do at the MicroCenter. They have VR, they have everything from, ooh, massage my booty? All right, Razer, I like it. More motherboards for the AMD side, gaming chairs, gaming desks, All that's here. They also have, when the store opens, you can come here, take a nice little seat, and play some racing sim on an ultra wide. Here for everyone to try and hang out and test out. Keyboard, mouse, boom. And every time I've done this, I've crashed, so let's move on. If racing sim's your thing, you come here, pick out your different components from your racing wheel to your pedals to everything you need. Again, they have it all in store. You can pick it up from the frame to the monitors to the seats, all in store. Pick it up here, go home, set it up, and you're ready to go. There are also a little added feature. They have some flight sticks there. So if flight sim is your thing, they have those here as well. One last place I want to show you. If you guys don't know too much about tech and you're having problems with your computer, if you're buying stuff, try to build it yourself and you're still having trouble, you can bring your computer here to the knowledge bar and they can analyze it, see what's wrong with it, fix it for you. Obviously, you know, it comes with a cost, but it's probably a lot better and takes, you know, load off your shoulders and put it on theirs. Also, if you pick all of those components out to build your computer, you can actually have them build it here for you for a cost, I think, of $150. Don't hold me to it, but I think that is the cost. I've officially showed you the entire store. If you're in the Santa Clara area, please stop by, hang out, come experience it. I would just bring some cash because if you bring your card, you're just gonna spend way too much money. But again, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys in the next one.